Whether you work at a front desk, in a reservation sales environment, in a restaurant, or even in room service, we all sell our resort's services and products. In order to do that effectively, we all need to have a really good command of a few different selling techniques. One is upselling, the second is cross-selling, and the third is a bit of a blend of the two, and that is called suggestive selling. In this series, we want to be able to give you a good understanding of the differentiation between these three different kinds of selling approaches so that you feel really comfortable with how you can use these in your own environments. Upselling is the process of increasing the order from an existing order. So it could be something like selling one appetizer to 2 appetizers, or from selling a room with 2 queen beds to a junior suite. It might also be something like, instead of just selling a guest on one glass of wine, it could be a bottle of wine. So the idea of upselling is increasing the value of the order by increasing the quantity of the order. The second type of selling that's very effective is called cross-selling. Now, the idea of cross-selling is, if you like this product, then you're going to love this product as well. So it might be something like, if you sell a guest in reservations on a condominium, then they might also be interested in purchasing travel insurance to protect the full value of that vacation. Cross-selling also shows up in a dining environment when a guest has ordered an entree, but perhaps they haven't yet decided on an appetizer that they might want to share. So a cross-sell is the idea then of selling them on another product or a service that would complement what has already been purchased. Now, the third one is suggestive selling. Suggestive selling is more like situational selling. I like using situational selling because it's very relevant for your guests' needs. If you have 2 guests, a couple who is enjoying an anniversary celebration, to recommend a bottle of champagne or a glass of champagne for each that then you upsell to a full bottle of champagne, that would be a suggestive sell. If you have a table of 8 gentlemen and all 8 gentlemen are not sure what to order, and you say, well, if you order one of each appetizer, that would provide every guest here at least a sample of one of everything. So that might be a nice way to start the meal. That's a suggestive sell. So you can see selling is really not anything more than doing something for a guest. Good examples. We have some calls that we are going to share with you so that you can hear how all of these different types of techniques are used.